Break ID number 3933. 2018 Leaf Trinity Football, 1-box break. Random hit style, every spot gets a hit. We're just going to find out the order. That is numerical and alphabetical. We'll find out in what order you get your hit. Go. So Derek gets the first one, then Chris, then Robert, then Daryl, then Robert. First one to Derek, M.A. Actually not bad. Clear auto, James Washington. Second one to Chris, K.K. Two-color patch auto, Mark Andrews. We'll have another one of these up there for tomorrow. Number 3, Robert S.I. Deontay Burnett. Next, Daryl, M.E. Akram Wadley. Daryl, M.E. And the last one, like this one. 9 of 10 on card with inscription, Carry-On Johnson. Nine of 10. Robert S.I. We'll get another one of those up there for tomorrow. If it happens to sell out tonight, we'll